pinched neck? What is that? A pinched neck, you may have heard about it, you may have even had it, is when a vertebra or a disc in the upper spine, the neck, squeezes a nerve. And that can happen from a blunt force trauma, from an injury. Sometimes it happens as people age if they don't keep their neck muscles strong. And it can also come from bad posture, which again is from a weakening of the neck and chest and upper body muscles. And certain muscles get too long, other muscles get too short, and it compresses the disc and vertebrae of the neck. It's also known as cervical radiculopathy. Yeah, I can't even say it, and I don't even want it. So to avoid that, we constantly, as we do the real Pilates, are pushing down with elbow to shoulder as we lay down. We always wear the pillow under our neck to enforce and reinforce that neck arch. Here are some quick things that you can also do on your own. So the chin tuck, sitting straight, holding your stomach in and shoulders down. Bring that chin back, back, straight back, without your chin dropping up or lifting. And then bring your chin out like a turtle, out. We do that in class a lot, I know, out. Then there is turning your head to your max and getting your eyes to turn in that direction as far as you can with your eyes high. We do that all the time. Super good. You can do that with grandma and your aunts and uncles. Get them to turn their heads and then eyes high as much as you can. It's important that you keep all of those neck muscles strong. But if you have a pinch in your neck, you can try to do a little gentle traction by hanging over, let's say, a bed with your bust and letting your head hang completely down so that gravity can gently put traction on your neck to help release the pressure from that disc that's pinching on that neck. Better posture through Pilates is really going to help you avoid that and cure that if you get chronic neck pains and pinches. Also, vitamin B1, B6, and in particular, vitamin B12 is super good because it reduces inflammation by coating the nerve endings, and it really helps soothe inflamed nerves. Some foods that have the natural Bs are eggs, vegetables, seafood, curcum, garlic, yogurt, and eggs. So the yogurt and the eggs have something called NAC. It's acetate, cysteine, and it's an amino acid. The abbreviation for it is NAC, NAC. And that is really good for inflamed nerves. It really helps with motor skills. It helps with coordination. And it's just a natural branch chain amino acid. You can always ask your health practitioner about NAC and if you should be on it. I take 1,000 milligrams a day just because it really does help with soothing inflamed nerves. And sometimes repetitive motions can give you those, like riding your bike a lot or sitting a lot. It's important to avoid pinched neck nerves and to know how to alleviate it. Also, if you have a pinched nerve, ice helps reduce the inflammation. Never on the skin, always with a little towel. Ice on and off for 5 minutes or so, and then heat to stimulate healing and help reduce the inflammation of that pain. Sometimes if you have a pinched nerve, it can dramatically lower your blood pressure. You may not even know you have it. You may have a little discomfort in the neck, but one sign is dropping things in your hands, tingling or numbness in the fingers and hands, and sometimes even in the feet. So those are symptoms to look for in friends and family to know that you have a pinched neck, and make sure that you get a doctor's advice on those issues.